How to activate and log into United Explorer credit card online. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily log into your United Explorer card. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and click on the search bar and simply search for United Explorer card. Hit enter. And now here you'll be able to see the new United Explorer card. All you have to do is head over to this link right here. This card is issued by Chase Bank, so you're going to have to log into the Chase Bank services. Now, if you already have the card, you can just directly log in, and if you don't have it, you can click on Apply Now. So if you just tap on it, you should be able to get to the login page. Now on this page, you just go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll be taken directly to the login portal of the page. Here, all you have to do is provide your details for login information on your Chase Bank. Now just go ahead and enter your username and your password. Click on the show option to view your password and click on this checkbox to save your username on the browser. Now you could also go ahead and click on this forgo username and password if you want to recover your account if you've forgotten any of these fields. And finally, once you click on the sign in button, you'll have an option to manage your credit card on Chase Bank. There you'll find your United Explorer card as well. And if you've already added it, you'll just have to activate it and you'll be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.